Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal wall mirror. So what you're going to need, you'll need some floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart. You'll also need some teardrop pendants. These are crystal pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some Bling Wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzled. And I have two kinds of buckles here. I have oval and square buckles. They are also from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need a piece of foam board. You'll need a square mirror. And you'll need one of these 8x10 mirrors. And you can use the hook on the back of this to hang the mirror when we're done. These little 2-inch round mirrors are from Michaels. They come in a pack of 4, so you will need 4. And then I have some peel and stick gemstones, and these are from Walmart. However, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful wall mirror, so let's get started. Okay, you guys. Now, didn't this crystal wall mirror turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.